Welcome to Zen Chic. This is Brigitte Heitland. During these special times we have to be ingenious, so this is an in-house quilt market booth. What's going on at Zen Chic? During the last years we had a lot of requests on a reprint of the Comma collection. Do you remember? We released Comma in 2012 and it was a hit. Very successful line. And finally I can say, yes, we did it again. We have a sequel of Comma. When I was thinking of how to name this new group, this is what came to my mind. If you have a comma, you have this single little stroke. Now add the second one and you get a quotation mark. And here is a new group called Quotation.
Let's have a deeper look at all the fabrics of the Quotation collection. From the 2012 Comma collection, we have reprinted the iconic asterisk print. And again, we have an airy floral print called Breeze. A handwritten stripe print that makes, for example, for a pretty binding, a trendy plus print, fresh and modern the arrowhead print, and a pin dot print from 2012, which we reprinted again because it was so popular. We have added some basics from the Spotted series to this collection. I particularly like the white print, it looks like a salt and pepper pattern, and the black print, which reminds me of chalk residues on a blackboard. Let's pretend I'd be your motor rep and lead you through the capsets. In this case, I'd say, if you like, you can pause, grab a cup of coffee, paper and pen, and make some notes. Or maybe I would chat with you for a while, talk about your shop and your project ideas, about upcoming events, and maybe even a bit about our families and what's going on in life these days. I think I would like that.
In addition to the bows, these fabrics come with smoother standard pre-cut format, as there are fat quarter bundle, including all the 37 different prints, fit 8s, layer cakes, charm packs, mini charm packs, a cherry roll, and a not so well known format of a honey bun with its 1.5-inch width. Now you ask for some inspiration and project ideas for Quotation? I heard you. And here we go. I used 4 of my best-selling quilt patterns to feature Quotation. Besides all the larger quilt projects, we have a couple of smaller projects to sew in a weekend or one afternoon, like those mini quilts, pillows, like these pouches, the boxy pouch, or that very cute yellow striped bag. All these little projects will be introduced with instructions on my blog, so it might be a good idea to stay tuned and subscribe to our newsletter. Fabrics and quilt patterns can be easily ordered through your Moda sales rep, and I wish I were yours. Call them for any questions and orders, and if you carried in 2012 already, you know it was a sales hit. And let me bet, Quotation will become one too.